Hey guys, look what we have in Northwest Florida. This is crazy. I feel like really crazy. Hey guys, so it is snowing here in Northwest Florida. I am on my back porch. I got the door open, as you can see, the screen door. I have a screened in veranda. The door is looking like. And it's steady coming down, you guys. We're not used to this. This is like the panhandle of Florida. It gets cold here in January, but nothing like this. And this has been going on. I got my bonnet on, don't y'all mind that. It's okay because I'm in the house. And then I got my hoodie on. It's about, I don't know, 28 degrees. It's cold, it's very cold. I brought Chino out. As you guys, I go out in this snow. But yeah, this is my first video of 2025. You guys, I have a lot going on. And I will catch you guys up to date at a later time. But this is what my back porch is looking like. That's the side of the house. As you can see, like I said, I got the door open. I brought Chino out so he could come use the potty, but I'm gonna show you guys it's like steady. And I got some footage from earlier when it first began. But yeah. We hadn't seen nothing like this, and I've been living in Florida. Now, I have seen snow because I'm originally from Tennessee. So, look at the little birdhouse, y'all. So, I have seen snow, but living here for the last 20 years of my life, this is crazy. When I say crazy, this is crazy, y'all. So, yeah, look at what's accumulated just coming. And this is on the porch. So, yeah. We're gonna go in. Yesterday was Chino's birthday. Look at him, y'all. He's like, Mama, I don't know what's going on. It's cold out here. So, yeah. I'm gonna put together a video. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Kay. I live here in Northwest Florida, and I am a food truck owner who has not reopened her food truck. But I'll tell you about that soon. So, with that being said, I'm gonna get in the house because it's cold. Good morning, guys. This is the aftermath of the snowstorm. I am outside of my garage, and as you can see, it's starting to melt. But the dangerous part, you guys, is when it's and the temperatures drop tonight, it's gonna freeze. Right now it's like 23. Can y'all see the winter wonderland? I don't want to show y'all my garage because, child, I need to definitely clean that out. But yeah, so these are the vehicles. Look how deep it is on my car. And me, gonna see, I'm prepared. I have gloves, I have a coat, I have my warm fuzzy hat. And now I'm trying to get Chino to come out, see if he'll potty. He don't know what to think. So yeah, guys, this is what we got in Northwest Florida. For the first time, don't mind how I look crazy, but that's okay. Northwest Florida, yeah. Snowstorm 2025. We brought it in with a bang. All right, you guys. Talk to you later.